Hey folks, what's up? I am Mainak from Only Cinematic. I am coming with a brand new tutorial in Filmora X. Today I am going to show you how to create a brand new cinematic reveal text intro in Filmora X easily. So if you are new in my channel, please subscribe it to see the more. So without further delay, let's start the video. So this is the Filmora typical editing user interface. Go to sample colors, search for the black and drag it to the timeline. I am setting the duration by 12 seconds. You can set it according to your needs. Go to project media, then go to the titles. Select any appropriate title for your project. I am selecting title 38 and set it by the duration 12 seconds. Double click on the title, go to advanced and I am typing the sailor. The font I am changing gameplay. You can choose according to your needs like Roboto, etc. I am selecting the text without selecting R to set the position firmly and set the pace by 25. This looks perfect. I want the animation starts from the very beginning, that's why I am dragging to the first one as earliest as possible and I am slowing the animation time, let's say 5.5 seconds. This looks okay. Go to the animation and search for the up direct insert. Click on it. Let's play it once. This is very slow, so first the animation. This looks perfect. Set it by 3.6 seconds. This looks absolutely perfect and click on the OK. Go to effects, search for water ripple, drag it to your timeline above your text. Then double click on the water ripple. I am setting the level 25. You can increase the level to have the waveform very fast or you can decrease the level to decrease the waveform according to your needs. Click on OK. Then search for the flip up effects. Drag it to above the water ripple. Set it duration by default as my project timeline 12 seconds. Then right click on the title, go to copy, lock the other timeline, right click on the timeline and paste it. Then lock the first one, unlock the second one, double click on the title, then drag it to the up. This is perfectly showing. Let's play it. Yes, that looks perfect. Lock out the other timeline, then search for the water ripple again and drag it by up. Double click on the water ripple and set it level again by 25, exactly to my previous water ripple effects. Now I am thinking that the below the text space is going down more, right? So that's why I am applying a keyframe my animation ends is that point. So I am applying the keyframe. Double click on the first title, go to animation, customize and add a keyframe. Go to some sort of time, that is say 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and changing the Y position by plus. That's fine. Let's play it once. Okay, I am just increase the starting point by some sorts of time and play it once to adjust it perfectly. The speed is very fast, so I am increase the keyframe. Now the speed is also fast, so I am increase again. Increase the fast position by some time and let's have a look. I am decreasing the second point some time. You can adjust it by seeing the methods. This looks perfect. The next one is go to the sample colors, click on the black bar, drag it to a timeline by up, click on the effects, search by image marks, that is the image marks, drag it to the black bar, double click on the black, go to video effects, select the first one, go to the end of the video, increase the feather by 100% and decrease the Y by 156%. Right, double click on the black bar, set it by this point. Let's play it. This looks perfect. Go to export then and export the project at 30 fps or 60 fps according to your needs. The export time depends upon your computer specification. Export done successfully. Import the exported file. Go to project media, import. This is my exported text video. Then select all the file in timeline and delete it. Now here is my two videos. I am applying the text in both of the two videos. Now listen carefully. If your video is dark, then apply the effects on the text video, and if your video is light, then apply the effects on your lightest video, right? So firstly I am applying the video in the dark videos, then go to the video and drag it to the timeline, then drag the text to the upper one and set the time accordingly as your text video. Then double click on the text video. Go to the effects, search glow, drag it to your text video. You are showing that the text is glowing. Then go to the media, double click on the text video, go to composting and change blending mode to the lighten and then play it. This looks absolutely amazing, right? If we are going to fading away the effect, let's say at this time you want that the text is being fade away, then double click on the text, go to the animation, then customize, add a keyframe and go to your last video, add another keyframe and opacity change to 0%. Let's play the video again. Yeah, the text is being fade away gradually. So this process is applied to a dark video. Let's apply on the lightest video. Then you have to drag the text video first, then drag your lightest video, then double click on the text video, go to effects, drag the glow effect on the text video, set the text video time according to set the main video time according to your text video, double click on the main video and change blending mode to lighten, right? Let's play it. I am applying one more effect here. Double click on your text video, go to animation, then you apply the first animation where the text is coming up. My text is coming up here, so I am adding the keyframe onto it and scale down to the video according to your needs. That is here, I think. Go to the last video and scale up to by default, that is 100%, and then play it once. If you are changing the video color, main video color, then double click on the main video, go to color, apply the LUT. Applying the LUT according to your needs. I am applying various LUTs here. Let's have a cyberpunk. Yeah, that's. So let's have a play it. Go to render preview for playing the smooth playback before you export. Then this is the final result after applying your LUT. So hey guys, that is pretty much for now. You can comment below how it is showing. Let's meet the next video. Bye bye, take care. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.